Mr. Nitin, do you have a follow-up question?
No, thank you.
Thank you. As a reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask question. We have our next question from the line of Prateek Chaudhary from Samarthya Capital. Please go ahead.
So what is the difference in margins between your domestic and international business? Because you're forcing international business to contribute a very significant percentage, around 30%. Is there any margin difference here as well?
Some margin difference there. It cannot be disclosed due to competitive reasons, but some difference is there from domestic and exports. Yeah.
So are exports better than domestic
Slightly better than domestic. Yeah.
in margin terms?
Yeah.
Okay. And currently your PAT margins are hovering between 1.5 to 1.9%. I think this last quarter was 1.9% or
1.9.
you see these?
Yeah.
Like 1.9, right?
Yeah.
Do you see this moving to 2.5 to 3% in the next 2 to 3 years or in the foreseeable
We are
quarters?
targeting first of all to take it to 2.5% in 3-4 quarters, and then after reaching that, we are targeting it to after 1.5 year or 2 years, we will be reaching it to 3%. We are targeting to take. So in 3-4 quarters, we are targeting that our PAT margin will increase to 2.5%. Parallelly growing our scale, our target of productions also.
Okay. Okay. Got it, sir. Thank you. I'll get back in the queue.
Thank you. As a reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask question. We have our next question from the line of Rahil Shah from Crown Capital. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Good morning. So just please, once again, if you can elaborate on your strategies to inch up the EBITDA margins. And I believe in the previous answer you mentioned about taking it to 4.5%. So is that overall annual margins you expect or for the next quarter?
Yeah, in 2 to 3 quarters, we are targeting to take it to 4.5% EBITDA, which will come from our utilizing our better utilizing our existing facility. We are implementing ERP system, which will help us to track our gold loss. Inventory management will be more precise in that. So it will help us to grow our EBITDA margins. Addition of new.
But immediately in the next quarter, any expectations like what range you expect?
You will see the impact in all the 3 quarters, coming 3 quarters, in next quarter also, in the first quarter also of the new financial years, and the second quarter also. So you can see the results in next quarter also, in the upcoming quarter also.
So next quarter will be better as well. There will be some improvement. Yeah. Okay. And how many new clients have you added?
We have added big clients of 10 to 12 more big clients we have added.
Okay. Any target ahead? How many, or is it an ongoing process?
Pardon?
Is this the range, quarterly range you will follow, or you expect more to be added ahead?
About the revenue you are asking?
No, client addition.
Yeah, we are adding clients also, and we are focusing on our focus will be to gain the share of the business with the existing client also. So market is huge. Okay. We are getting market share from our organized share. Unorganized share is shifting to the organized corporate. So we are also getting the benefit of them. So existing client also we are getting the shares, and we are every quarter we are doing the exhibition and keep on adding our new clients also. So we are gaining the share outside India also. We have started exports to UAE, Singapore, Malaysia. Indian manufacturing is very cost effective and very good for export markets. Right now they are seeing very good for Indian manufacturing, design wise and cost wise also we are very effective from other countries. So we are really seeing this quarter we are showing good growth in the export.
Okay, okay, got it. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask question. We have our next question from the line of Vinamra Hirawat from JM Capital. Please go ahead.
Oh, sorry, I must have pressed it by mistake. I don't have any more questions.
Okay. Thank you, sir. We have our next question from the line of Bharat Genani from Money Control Pro. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the follow-up opportunity. Just two questions. So one is that the current debt level is about 160 crore odd.
Yes.
And hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So out of this, the next year target is to reach about 250 crore. So from this 250 crore, the entire will be gold metal loan, or gold metal loan will be a portion of that?
80% we will be using gold metal loan because it will reduce our facility. But major bank give 80% limits of the gold metal loan, and 20% they give us CC limits. When we utilize properly 2-3 quarters maximum, then they give us 100% also. So we would be keeping it to 80%.
Okay. So out of that, out of the 250 crore target of debt that we have for the next year, 80% of that means roughly about 180-200 crore will be the gold metal, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And another question is that just one clarification, like we saw the preferential allotment happen 2 months back, and there was another fundraising in which the promoters also participated. So I just wanted to know, is there any other fundraising plan, or for now we would be done with the fundraising?
We are not planning any fundraising right now because already 2 months back only we did, and so we are right now not in a mind to raise the fund in 2 quarters here.
Okay. Thanks and all the best, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask question. We have our next question from the line of Ajay Shah from Crisp PMS. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir, for the opportunity. I would like to ask, what is the market share of unorganized players and organized players in your industry, and what is the other competitors, big competitors for you?
So I will not like to name anyone. In South also, one corporate competitor is there. I will not like to name anybody. This is about the competitor. What was the question about?
Market share of organized players and unorganized players in your industry.
Okay. So organized player is about 60-65% market share is there. 35% is the unorganized market, which is shifting to the organized market. So corporate clients, which is our client, we are doing major business with the corporates, channel stores. They are gaining the share of unorganized to organized because of this government. I hope this government continue, and in this government, organized market is gaining the shares.
Okay. And sir, we are targeting for 5,000 crore revenue by in next 3 years. So it is implying 40-42% CAGR revenue growth. So what gives you so much confidence? Can you share in a detail to achieve that target?
Right. You can see before 10 years we betted on the corporate. We started business with the corporates who had like Marble Gold, Joy Lucas Kalyan, who have 20 stores, 30 stores. That time they were having. Right now they are having 250 stores, 300 stores, 400 stores. So we are in the boat with the corporates, which are we have the clients of major large corporates like 50 to 400 stores. Those who have are large corporates. We have clients who have 10, 15 stores, 20 stores also. They are small mid corporates. And we have clients who have 2 to 5 stores, which are small corporates. They are going to be a large corporate in 3-4 years or 5 years. They are also growing to 50 stores, 100 stores. They have the target of that. So we are confident that this unorganized market will also shift to the organized one, which are the corporates, which are our clients. And every year, Indian jewelry market is growing by 10 to 12%, which in that share also, corporate will gain the major share of that. Unorganized will not gain the share. So indirectly, we will have a upper end as a manufacturer. We have this client, so their stores are increasing drastically. You see, Kalyan Jewellers has signed 80 stores in this year. Senco Gold has signed 40 stores in this year. So drastically, they are growing their store and acquiring the market, and we are in the same boat.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask question. We have our next question from the line of Sumit Bharadwaj from Global Web Flavors. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hello. My question is regarding, I want to get the update on your business on the US. I believe that last quarter you started a website in US.
The voice is not coming proper. I am not hearing it. Can you keep a little bit louder?
Sumit, I will request you to use the handset while asking the question.
Am I audible to you now?
Yeah, right now it's very clear. Yeah.
I want to get an update on your US business.
Yeah.
Last quarter you started a business with US, like you opened a website there. So may I get the update on this?
No, we have not done any business in the US, and we have just opened a subsidiary. We were to do the online B2C business. We were have a plan, but we have not concentrating on that because we in the B2B only. Its potential is very good. We have onboarded new clients, and our existing clients are giving us good orders and contracts. So right now we are scoping on B2B only. We are not enter any expenses for that US market or done any R&D expenses or nothing expenses has been done for that. So we are not considering it.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask questions. As there are no further questions, I would now like to hand the conference over to Mr. Mangesh Chauhan for closing comments.
Thank you so much, everybody, everyone for joining us. I hope I have been able to answer all the questions. In case you have any query further details, you may please contact Orient Capital or our investment relation partners. Thank you so much being a part of SkyGold Limited, and we hope we have a good journey together in forward.
On behalf of SkyGold Limited, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your line.